at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain